In this video, I'll show you how to copy and paste items in Monday.com. Start by opening the board that contains the items you want to copy. Once the board loads, locate the item or row you want to copy. Click the checkbox on the far left side of the item to select it. After selecting the item, an action toolbar will appear near the bottom or top of the screen depending on your setup. Look for the duplicate option and click it. This creates a copied version of the item directly inside the board. You can then drag the duplicated item to another group or edit the details as needed. If you simply want to copy text from one cell to another, click inside the cell, highlight the text, and use your keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl plus C on Windows or Command plus C on Mac to copy. Then click the destination cell and press Ctrl plus V or Command plus V to paste. Some columns may also support copying multiple rows at once depending on your board setup. Using copy and paste features helps speed up repetitive workflows and reduces manual data entry. And that's how to copy and paste items in Monday.com.